Hi guys, so you guys been asking me for like tricks of my dog, so like I haven't showed my dog in camera like from a long time, like since like one of my first videos, so like I guess I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so this is my nice doggy. He's a Great Pyrenees. Any questions of him down in comments please, if y'all have any. He knows like a little bit of tricks, but like he doesn't know a lot. He's a Great Pyrenees. He's 3 years old, and we've been with him since like he was like 3 months old. His name is Toby, if y'all wouldn't wanted to know that. And now this good boy wants some belly rubs. Look at that face. This is such a good boy right here. Well, I was gonna do a video of him doing tricks, but I guess he just wants to lay down and get cuddles. So I might just do this kind of video, or if he gets up, I'll do tricks. Okay, so this is one of his toys that I got him. Okay, Toby, come. Toby, come. Sit. Toby, sit. Okay, what a good boy you are. That's such a good boy. He's been eating kind of like the same treats, and like he kind of doesn't like them anymore, but like soon we're gonna go to get him more treats. Up. Paw. Toby, paw. What a good boy. You see that? Okay, let's go get you some treats. So the treats he's been eating mostly is this kind of treat. It's been like really good. It's kind of hard now because I haven't gotten it. I haven't given it him in a long time, since like last year. I haven't gotten any treats because I'm kind of in budget right now. It's kind of hard. I'm gonna get him new treats like next week maybe. Like if y'all see this, it's like really hard. I can barely break it myself. He's really chewing here.
It's so crunchy.
My chickens just came out because like I'm kind of like their favorite person because I give them food all the time. What a good boy. We mix these in with these ones. And like these been hard too, so like it's really hard.
I think he likes crunchy. Oh my gosh. Scary.
So the only tricks he knows is jumping, paw, sit,
Lay down.
and lay down.
Walk with me.
He doesn't know heel or anything else
Walk with me.
Well, he went to training like when he was like a year old, and like he was a big dog. He's like I'm like we're almost literally about the same size. When he stands up, he's like really tall. Last year it snowed, and like he had so much fun, but I forgot to put on his shoes on and like a paw balm, so like his paw started to bleed a little bit. Like, if y'all see this, like, I haven't cleaned his paws in such a long time, and like they're really cold. Someone in my comments said that he was a lot cuter than their dogs, but like I think all dogs are cute. You know, like not all dogs are the same, but like they're all cute in some way. So I don't believe that some dogs are cuter than others. Obviously, some are bigger, some are stronger than others, but they're about the same cuteness. And this wraps up to the end of our video. I'm sorry guys, I only had time to do a 5-minute long video, but next time I'll do it longer for you guys.